Do you know what it really means when you search a source and it comes back with no record found? Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. This comes up because recently I've opened to the general public my public records mini course, which you can learn more about it's on the front page. There's a tab at ShadowAnyone.com if you're interested in working public records. And I've been getting some great feedback from that. But one thing I want to really emphasize, whether it's public records you're searching or a paid database, wherever you're searching, if you get the result that says no record found, that's all it means. Don't read anything else into it. I'm going to give you 3 examples, including the number 3 example right from my case files. So the first example might be if you're searching a student directory, and say it's an online student directory, a college directory. You type in the subject's name, the person you're looking for, skip tracing, background check, whatever you're doing, and it comes back no record found. You cannot infer from that they did not go to school there or they're not currently enrolled there. There are a variety of reasons that might have come back no record found. Maybe they clicked the little button to opt out of the student directory. Comes back no record found, but they are a student there. Maybe they registered too late to be included in the directory. So again, comes back no record found, but they're still there. So don't try to stretch out any more information, read into what it means. That's all it means. The record is not there for you. Another example, this is for mostly my licensed brothers and sisters in private investigations, but if you're doing searches of Bureau Motor Vehicle records, if you have permissible purpose for that, and if you run a check for a vehicle abstract or registration for a vehicle, and it comes back no record found, that does not mean the person does not own a car. There's a variety of reasons. Maybe it's a state with community property. Maybe the cars are registered in her name. And so when you search by his name, no record found doesn't mean he doesn't own a car. Maybe he owns a car, but it's his daughter drives it, his daughter's car in a sense, so it's registered in her name. No record found simply means no record found in that case. In my real world case that I can give you, a guy drug dealer, a prolific drug dealer, I saw him one day in what I believed was a stolen vehicle. I did a little bit of what we in a business call investigating. I come to find out it definitely was a stolen vehicle. So the next time I see this dealer in this vehicle, I called the cops. And he got arrested, and he's actually still in jail. Not specifically off of my thing, but just the accumulation of this guy's life. If you look at his criminal record, it's just theft, dope, violence, over and over again. That's this guy. Finally, he's been locked up for quite a while now, and I'm pleased about that. He really needs it. Society really needs it. But here's the thing. When you're looking at this individual, when I was investigating, who is this guy, what's the deal, on the muni court, the lower court records, he comes up with first name, middle name, last name. It's an easy search, and there's plenty of stuff there. If you go to the common pleas or upper court or where the felonies are, he was coming back blank, no record found. Now, I know from vast experience, there is no way this guy ain't caught a felony here locally as long as he's been here. So he's in there somewhere. And as I started to experiment, I found out for some reason, every time they charge him with a felony, they switch his middle and first name. And when I searched by switching those, up came his felony criminal history. So don't make that very common mistake that people make. You punch him into whatever felony records you're checking, no record found. You say, well, this fellow is an upstanding citizen. He has no felonies. No record found in this case means they entered the information wrong or you searched wrong. So don't be fooled by that. So take these 3 real world examples of when no record found could mean something completely different than what you think and incorporate it into your investigative technique. If you are using public records now or you want to expand your use and reach of public records, I do have a free video online, Public Records Tutorial Part 1. The first Part 1 is free. Part 2 and many other videos that I've created over the years and fleshed out and really put together, that's in a public records mini course that I have. And if I didn't mention it already on this video, it's over at shadowanyone.com. Front page, there's a tab for it. You can check it out. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with shadowanyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.